So we are in room 346, and this is on deck 12. We actually have a balcony room. It's actually pretty spacious. Actually, we'll look at the bathroom here first. And it's a pretty standard bathroom. I will say the shower is a lot larger. You can see the door actually kind of swings out like that, which is kind of neat the way they did that. But the shower is larger because you do have a seat in the back, which does make it really nice. Sink's pretty standard. It might be, again, a little larger, but overall, it's actually got a handheld shower head. And then you actually have some storage over here on the side above the toilet. Big bed, and then all your storage over here to this side. You've got a mirror here, and then behind the mirror you've got your safe and all kind of shelves right there. And you got all kind of hanging storage in here and here on both sides. That's actually full length there. Then I'm not exactly sure. Ugh. Not sure what exactly you could use those for. I guess just haul some clothes in them. Not real hip on those, but you do on both sides of the bed. You have a USB and then a regular plug-in on this side. On the other side, you just have a USB. And then obviously you got a little desk area. Got some plugs there. USB. Do both versions of the USB, USB-A, USB-C. And then you've got some shelves here, and you've actually got more USA, USB-C. Or USB-A, USB-C. There. But overall, it is actually a really nice room. Got your TV mounted right there in front of the bed. Like I said, we have a balcony view. Not much to look at right now. We are still in port. But man, this is actually a large balcony. The ship we were on, last ship we were on, I think was Celebrity. It was obviously a smaller ship, but it was a lot smaller balcony. But this, man, you got a chair, the ottoman, it's actually large. But yeah, I mean, like I said, not much to look at right now, but overall, very nice room.